So creating your first web page, open up your computer's text editor. You can use any, like Notepad for example. If I'm opening my Notepad, then every web page must have specific lines of code that you have to put there. So HTML and HTML. So here is where it starts and the page ends here. You see the closing tag has that slash in, so the whole page is going to be in between these two tags. Okay, and I go ahead, I put the head. Okay, so the head, this is where the title is going to be. So you see the head tag, there is opening and closing. Even HTML there is opening and closing. So then the title, my page. So that's the title. So I close the same tag here. So then I put another tag called the body. So this is where all the web page, the content is going to be. So I close the body tag. So basically that's it. So how do I save it? I go to File, Save As. I give it a name. Let's say index. The first page in your website should be called index.html, or you can simply say HTML, but let's say HTML. And then I say all files. I choose where I'm going to save it on the desktop. Then I say save. Where is it? It is here. So when I open it, you can see it is blank, but the title is there as my page. So that's how you create your first page.